Are you looking for a desktop video magnifier that is affordable, very easy to use with simple controls, and is a well-made European product? Well, you may be interested in the IC 22-inch desktop video magnifier made by Irie-AT. Let me walk you through a quick tutorial to tell you more about the IC 22-inch desktop video magnifier.
Welcome to Irie-AT, Braille and Innovation.
Starting out with some of our physical features here, we have our 1080p 22-inch screen, and it does actually have some adjustments that you can make, so the height and the tilt of the screen. So for the height, we're going to reach behind the screen and find a little white lever that can help you move it up and down. So I'm gonna leave it right about there because that's pretty good for me. And then if you reach a little bit farther, you'll find a black adjuster here with an orange button that can help you loosen that up. So I've got that loose, and as you can see, I can move it up and down. So that works. I'll leave it right there for me. We're gonna move on to our reading tray down here, which has 3 different positions that we can use. So this first one is just gonna be locked in place. The second one is our horizontal position. And then our third one is going to be just no resistance at all. Moving on to our underscreen controls, knobs, and buttons. So I'm going to go over what those do later in the video, but those are where your controls are gonna be. As I said earlier in the video, this product is affordable compared to the products like it, but it is a European product that is well made, and it is the quality that you would expect of a European product while also having a 2-year parts and labor warranty. Now that we've gone over the physical features, I think it's time to get started reading. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is plug in the supplied cable into the wall and the other end into the power port. And then you're just going to want to turn on the device, which is located in the back of the device. Now that we've got the IC 22-inch all turned on and ready to start reading, I'm going to go over some of the underscreen controls. Starting out with the furthermost left knob, it's going to be our contrast knob. So if we turn to the left or the right, it's going to cycle us through the different color contrast modes. And if we press it like a button, it's going to take us to the full color mode, which is used for pictures and maps. And if we go back to the color contrast mode, it's going to take us to the exact mode that we were on before. And if we push down on the knob while we hold it down and then we turn it, it can adjust some of that color or some of that contrast if you prefer that. I'm going to go back to my white on black, and I'm going to show you moving on to the middle knob in the center. This is going to be our zoom and zoom in and zoom out. So, and then if we press on it, it's going to be our autofocus lock. So if you're writing, it's not going to blur out the words or anything. Next, we have our brightness knob. So if we turn that up, it's going to turn up the brightness, and down, it's going to turn down the brightness. Moving on to the next knob over here, we're going to have our reading lines and blinds. So if we press the button, it's going to take us to our first option for a reading line, and we adjust it by turning the knob to the left or the right. If we press it again, it's going to take us to our first reading blind option, and again, just adjusting that by moving the knob to the right or the left. Next option is going to be our vertical line, and the next option is going to be our vertical blind. If you'd like to learn more about the IC 22-inch HD desktop video magnifier or find a distributor near you, reach out to us at Irie-AT Irie-AT.com. Make sure to subscribe to the Irie-AT YouTube channel for more great videos on the latest in Braille and low vision products.